Coming to you with some awesome content, of course. I want to share with you. I just got in the mail. As you can see, I got these IQ Bud Boost headphones. Finally got them in. I also have these Bose Hear Better headphones, as well as I have these Bose Sound Sport headphones as well. All right, so I'm like, okay, something is gonna go. I'm not keeping all three of these headphones. All right, so my main thing is I like to definitely hear what's going on around me as far as my my environment and where I'm located at. I want to be able to control that. Okay, so that's definitely going to take away from the sound sports that I have here before you. All right, now these IQ buds, they allow that. They allow me to allow my ambient sound into my ears so that I can know exactly what's going on around me, and they allow me to control that as well. Same thing here with these Bose hearphones. I'm telling you, these Bose headphones, I absolutely love these headphones. I mean, it just allows for so much control, and they're just stylish. I love the gold accent on the earbuds. You don't see anybody else with them. All right, so but I'll share with you in a separate video some things about these Bose headphones. But for now, we're gonna talk about the IQ Buds, and we're gonna get these babies unboxed. Just got them fresh in the mail from Best Buy. And as you can see, they came to me addressed in my little brown box here. Thank God they didn't get lost in the mail. So as you can see, they're wrapped up pretty nice here. They got a little plastic wrapping on the exterior of the box. That's to keep out any moisture, things like that. Be sure you don't choke on them. Throw that trash away. Don't leave it out for your kids to get a hold to. All right, so first thing you want to do is you want to open up this nice little box here. As you can see, they got a nice little slab here cut off to let you know, hey, this is where you open me up at. Ear ID, an intelligent autometric system that learns how you hear and automatically adjusts the IQ Buds to your hearing prescription. Hey guys, if you're going to get these IQ Buds, I suggest you do it now. I got these for $353, and they're on sale for $3.99. Regular price is $4.99. They're still on sale this week for the Black Friday Cyber Week sale. $100 off. They're $3.99. They're going back up to $4.99. I suggest you get them if you're going to get them for a loved one as a Christmas gift or something like that. All right, Nuheara Ear ID automatic personalization. All right, we'll get into all of that. In the meantime, let's see how you get into these babies. Okay. All right, so right here at the top of the box, you want to be careful when you're going to pull that out over this piece here. That is where it hangs on the shelf when it's in the store. And you're gonna slide this baby out of there just like so. Ooh, be careful not to hurt your earbud now. Don't hurt your earbuds now. Okay, so we're just gonna move this box out of the way. Before doing so though, I'm just gonna look around this box just to identify some things. All right, you got all your information here on the bottom of the box, mumbo jumbo. All right, Ear ID, we spoke on that. Sync, controls, and augment. World on off or control world volume for the perfect blend of ambient sound in your ears. Augment sound for better conversation while removing background noise. Awesome. What do you guys say about that? Awesome. Awesome. That's what I got to say about that. All right. So again, calibrates to your ears. I mean, this is pretty awesome. This is some ear doctor, audiotometrist type stuff that we're dealing with here that's available for anyone to purchase for their consumer use on a day-to-day basis. And people that have hearing problems are opting to purchase this type of technology over paying $6,000 or so for some hearing aids. So we're gonna take a look here at what comes in the box before getting into the stuff that we have here. All right, so you have your case here, which looks like you press this button here. This button here is what allows you to know what the battery level is as far as the battery indicator level. You got 4 lights here, ranging from 25 to 100%, and they're gonna light up green, letting you know the charging level of the case. So you have that there, Nuheara. Turn that over there. All right, so let's open this case. This case is magnetic, by the way. This button is not for the case. It's magnetic, and these buds do not sit in here magnetically. You have to make sure you place them in there properly. Either bud can go on either side, so you don't have to worry about that. Just place them in there either way, and then you close the case, and it's going to magnetically make sure that those buds are in place in there, so you don't have to worry about that. And you'll be able to know because you're going to get a charging indicator on both sides, letting you know that both buds are charging on the right side and then on the left side as well. So this is something to keep in mind. All right. As you can see, these things are dead as a doorknob because I don't have anything going on here with my case. So we're just going to sit that there to the side. And we're going to pop open this baby here and see what's on the inside of the box. All right, this is a thank you from Nuheara. Nuheara, thank you too. This actually here is my second pair of the IQ Buds. I got rid of the first one because I was kind of irritated with feedback and whatnot from the headphones. You know, I go to do a swipe or a tap to touch gesture and I hit the microphone and get a loud skeet noise. Skeet! You know, the feedback sound that microphones get. So I didn't like that and I sent that back. But that's to be expected, guys, with any type of headphone that's allowing ambient sound in at a level such as these two. Because if you put your hand directly on these, you're going to get a little feedback as well. So you just want to be sure to handle the headphones not touching directly over the microphones so that you can eliminate that from happening. Okay. Any questions, they're here to help. You got an online support email. So it looks like they're there to help you as soon as possible. All right. You put the earbuds in there too. You plug that baby in there. Get a quick charge in 30 minutes, look like, and download the application for either your iPhone or your Android phone at the App Store or Google Play. All right. Let's see, you get in the box, you got a USB charging cable, you got your phone tips, and you got your composite tips. You have your charge case as well as your IQ Buds left and right, as you've already seen the case and the buds. Let's go ahead and dive into the box and see what the earbuds look like. Okay, I've just completely demolished the box, trying to get this little bit of stuff out of here. So let's approach this a little differently. All right, what do we have over here? Over here we have our charging cable. As you can see, your charging cable is right here. It's your standard USB, micro USB charging cable. It has Nuheara written on it, unlike the previous model that came out. It didn't have anything on it, I don't recall. And here you have your earbuds, okay? You have your round and your oval. And I'm mistaken, I guess you don't get the composite as well as the foam tips, but let's take a peep. I'm pretty sure that half of these are one type and the other half are another type. So let's just take a quick look and see. All right. Nope, they're all rubber. The only foam tips you have are the ones that come on the Nuheara buds, but all the rest of them are rubber earbuds, just in different sizes. They come in round and they come in oval. Based on the shape of your ear, just find the one that's more suitable and comfortable for you. Okay, so let's see what we got here. You have your instruction manual, and you have there you go. You have your Comply Isolation Premium earphone tips. These give you max noise isolation, superior audio, soft comfort, and a secure fit. Comply foam. Okay, I thought you'd get some of these babies. All right, and there's your other set right there. So you do get two sizes. You get a large and you get a small size of Comply foam ear tips, and then you get a large assortment of your rubber tips. So you should find something that's comfortable and suiting to your needs. So as you see, there's not much to it. Guys, I'm going to tell you that these are a step in the right direction as far as technology, headphones all combined into one. I mean, it is just great with the technology world is allowing us to be able to experience at this day and age so much more than our ancestors have in our previous years. Ha ha ha. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these babies charged up. I just wanted to bring to you the unboxing of the Nuheara earbuds.
Is that these? The box for these?
Yeah.
Yep.
Unfortunately, guys, I had to return these IQ Buds. As you can see, it came in the mail dead on arrival. So I'm going to stick with my Sound Sports, and I'm going to I'm returning my earphones also. As you can see, they're going back. Earphones going back because too much money to be spending on some headphones that I don't need help with my hearing with. and the power button's extremely hard to press, as well as the material quality of the headphones. They're cracking and they're bending when I'm trying to turn off the power. So all in all, that's it. It's your boy Kurt. I'll let you later. Peace.